If you're interested in learning Python, I've got two free resources for you that I want to make you aware of. The first is my full online course in Python, and it is a full course, meaning it has lectures, it has a textbook, and it has assignments. They're all free to access at bmosley.com/cr/2, and you'll see all the videos here on YouTube. And if you would like to learn by coding along with me, the other way that you can learn how to code is just by following along with different projects. And that is my 100 Days of Python Coding Challenge. And that is also free. And you can access the index of those on my website at www.bmosley.com/HDP. So either way, I hope to see you online, and these are two great resources. You can learn all of the basics for Python coding for free. Have a great day.